welcome back to my channel. My name is Kate. Today we are back in the good old kitchen, and today we're making peach crisp. It is one of my favorite desserts ever. I love peach pie, I love peach crisp. I'd say I love peach cobbler, but I actually think peach crisp is peach cobbler. It's not, but in my mind that's how it works. I'm not a big fan of cobbler after I learned what it is. I like anything crisp. So that's what we're making today, and I'm making it completely from scratch. So this isn't necessarily this is my peach crisp recipe. It's not. I found it online. It's a basic peach crisp recipe. Actually any recipe you Google, like peach crisp, it's gonna be along the same lines. It might vary from how much of one ingredient to how many peaches you use. I used, in my recipe, it called for 6 to 8 peaches. I had 6, so that's what I used. And it is vegan. I used vegan Earth Balance butter and some old-fashioned oats. So everything I had pretty much here. Unfortunately, I bought a whole pack of butter and it's missing, so I used my last stick of butter. Sad day. Anyways, I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let's hop into it. Peach crisp. You can obviously hear that I'm cooking something else in the background. I'm meal prepping my lunches. I'm gonna have teriyaki vegetables with rice. That's what we're having. But we're focused right now on peach crisp. To me, this is peach cobbler, but you know, whatever. Technically, when you Google it, it's peach crisp. And go ahead and start off with the crust. So first we need to cut up butter into chunks. This is about a 1/3 cup of butter. I'm actually kind of PO'd because I bought some vegan butter. Like these are the Earth Balance sticks, and I can't find my whole new pack of butter, so I have no idea where they are. And I checked my cart, and it's, mind you, it's been like 4 or 5 days since I shopped, and I have no idea where this butter is. But anyways, you're gonna cut up this butter into cubes, little baby cubies. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add that to my bowl, because we're gonna be like mushing it together anyways, and the butter's nice and soft. So into the bowl, along with the butter, we're going to be putting a 1/2 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats, a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, salt, there's a measurement for this, for the ground cinnamon, but I like to eyeball it. You know, I feel like whatever you want to add. To me, cinnamon's one of those spices that it's to taste. Granted, you can put way too much, so you know, if you want to measure it out, it's like 1/4 a cup or something. Anyways, a dash of nutmeg, and I'm gonna put a little bit more cinnamon in here. Okay, so that should be good. And I have a spoon. Just gonna mix her up. Get this brown sugar broken up in here. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue to get this into a crumb. So it's like, you know, all combined with the butter, and it's like little tiny balls or whatever. This is why like a biscuit cutter would be like super handy, because you would already be done. It'd already be the consistency you would need it to be to like crumble on top. You know what I mean? Picking up what I'm putting down? Cool. So this is that. Looks good. Cool. I'm gonna wash my hands, I gotta stir my veggies, and I'll be right back to start the peach mixture. So I'm setting that aside, and I'm gonna wash some of these dishes. Going to prepare the peaches. So you're gonna need like 6 peaches. These are kind of medium to large. I got these at a local farm market, close to, not too close to where I live. But we're going to slice these and I'm gonna peel them. I'm gonna peel them the way I know how. You know, you can look up better ways. This isn't a tutorial on how to peel peaches. I'm just gonna cut them up and, ew, that's gross. I washed my hands and apparently I didn't do a very good job at it. Ew, I'm sorry. This is my kitchen anyway, so I don't care. The only other person who's gonna eat this is my partner, and I'll just tell them it's made with extra love. Anyways, make sure you wash your hands. COVID-19's real. So we're gonna go ahead and cut these up. I'm gonna start with this one. And there's still butter on this knife. I didn't wash it. You know, there's gonna be butter in this anyways. But you know. And these are nice and ripe. If these were not ripe, I would not have been able to just twist that off of there. So we're just going to slice these up. And when I get it to like about here, if they're ripe, which these are, you should be able to just, oh, I'm failing. Like I was about to flex on y'all, but apparently I can't. Okay. Let's see if this one's better. Nope. See? Ooh! Broke. Okay. They should be able to just do that. I think the softer parts I'm actually having a little bit, like where it's more bruised and soft, I'm having a harder time peeling that off. I have a little bowl I still have to wash, so I'm just throwing the peels in there. Yeah, there we go. Woo! Okay. When I have all these cut and peeled, I will be back. So, wish me luck. I'll be here for a minute. Okay, so we have peaches all peeled, sliced, they look good. And let's go ahead and assemble it to make it so it's like, so when it bakes, it gets like kind of custardy almost, if that makes sense. So this is 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And then I have a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. And I'm gonna put a little bit of vanilla in here. Some salt. A dash of cinnamon. And a little dash of nutmeg. And into this, ooh, I made a mess with the cinnamon. So we're just gonna zhuzh this up. Damn. I'm trying so hard not to make a mess, and I just like make a constant mess. I mean, I cleaned it up, but like, I still would like to not be so messy, because it's annoying. So I'm just kind of just tossing them all together. making it so it's harmonious and each little peach is covered. I'm trying not to bruise the peaches either, so I'm being very gentle here. The only thing I don't have to put in this is lemon juice, which is okay. It's gonna be fine without it. It's just not gonna be as bright, if that makes any sense. So we have this. This is good. This is mixed enough, and we're gonna get our cobbler topping. Sorry, our crisp topping back, and I have a baking dish. So I just need to spray it. And BT Dubs, the oven is ready, so we're gonna go ahead and pop this in after we throw it all together. So it's pretty simple. The only annoying thing is the peeling of the peaches. So, I mean, I'm sure there's a way you could not do it like that, but that's how we do it. Okay, so you just throw that in there. And then on top goes the crumble. Oh, this is gonna be so fucking good. Okay. Alrighty. So, ooh, we lost one. We're gonna need it. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, I don't want to twist it up too much. I'm so tired of saying We're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. It should take about 30 to 45 minutes to bake. You just want the topping to be golden brown, and you want the peaches to be bubbly. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in, and I'll see you then. Hiya, papayas. So I just wanted to update you where we are on the peach cobbler. So the oven was supposed to actually be set to 375. I have it on 350, so it's just taking a little bit longer than I'd like it to be. But it is bubbling. It's just the top isn't quite set yet. So once this is like set, then like we'll be good. So I'm gonna give it another like 5 minutes. Oh, this is the completed little baby. The topping is set. That's all I was waiting for while I was in the oven. I literally just pulled it out. But I am willing to burn my mouth for you guys to try it. The reason I'm not gonna let it cool for a second is because I need to get a shower and go to bed because I gotta work in the morning, and I'm just gonna eat a bite and then I'll take my shower and come back for a bowl, but I'm gonna end this video here. So let me do a little, I'm getting a paper plate. So I'm tired of doing dishes. I'm sorry, this is wasteful. I'll use the same paper plate later if that makes you feel a little bit better. I'm gonna dig in there with a little forky fork. I'm gonna take this little piece right here. Get a little bit of everything. Okay. This is what I'm taking for now. I am gonna come back for more later. I have other things I gotta do. I'm rushing out of here, okay? I'm sorry. Okay, so let's get a little bit of everything. The peach, it's gonna be freaking hot. Honestly, that's dope. Could be a little bit sweeter if I'm being honest, but I think when it cools down some more and it's easier to eat, I'll be able to taste the flavors a little bit better. But it's really, really good, and I recommend making peach crisp for your weekly dessert, man. It's really good. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Peace out.